A. Secession of East Pakistan 1971. Q1. What were the main complaints of East Pakistan? सवाल, मशरक़ी पाकिस्तान की अहम शिकायत क्या थी? आंसर, East Pakistan complained about language discrimination, Bengali ignored economic exploitation, no earnings but less development, social inequality, and weak political representation despite having a larger population. Q2. How did protests contribute to the secession of Bangladesh? सवाल, एहतजाज ने बांग्लादेश के क़याम में कैसे किरदार अदा किया? Answer. Protests became widespread and violent. Government action increased anger, which strengthened the demand for independence and led to the final breakup. 6-point program. Q3. What was the 6-point program? सवाल, 6 नकाती प्रोग्राम किया था? Answer. It was a plan by Sheikh Mujibur Rahman in 1966 demanding maximum provincial autonomy, including control over economy, taxation, and security for East Pakistan. Q4. Why did West Pakistan resist these demands? सवाल, मग़रिबी पाकिस्तान ने उन मुतालबात की मुखालफत क्यों की? Answer. West Pakistan feared the 6 points would weaken central authority and led to the breakup of Pakistan. It would also reduce their political and military control. Q5. How did Yahya Khan deal with the crisis? सवाल, यही खान ने बुहरान से कैसे निपटा? Answer. He postponed the National Assembly session, imposed martial law, and arrested Sheikh Mujib. These actions worsened tensions instead of solving the crisis. Election issues. Q6. Why was it risky to give East Pakistan 109 seats? सवाल, मशरक़ी पाकिस्तान को 169 नशस्तें देना खतरनाक क्यों था? Answer. Because it gave them a clear majority, allowing them to form government alone and control national decisions. Q7. Do you think Yahya Khan was shocked by the results? सवाल, क्या यही खान नताइज से हैरान था? Answer. Yes, because the Awami League won an unexpected landslide victory, changing the political balance. Q8. What was Zulfikar Ali Bhutto's demand? सवाल, भुट्टो का मुतालबा किया था? Answer. He demanded power sharing and wanted a role in government instead of allowing Mujib to rule alone. Q9. Why did Mujib refuse Bhutto's demand? सवाल, मुजीब ने भुट्टो का मुतालबा क्यों रद्द किया? Answer. Because his party had majority seats, so he believed he had the democratic right to form government independently. Q10. Why were Awami League supporters angry? सवाल, अवामी लीग के हामी नाराज क्यों थे? Answer. They were angry because the assembly session was delayed and power was not transferred despite their election victory. Worsening situation. Q11. How did the situation get worse in East Pakistan? सवाल, मशरक़ी पाकिस्तान में हालात कैसे खराब हुए? Answer. Violence increased, Mujib was arrested, and clashes began between supporters and army, leading to civil war conditions. India's role. Q12. What was the role of India? सवाल, भारत का किरदार क्या था? Answer. India supported Mukti Bahini with arms and training, gave shelter to refugees, and later directly fought Pakistan in 1971 war. Source-based questions. Q13. What was the view about India? Source B. सवाल, अमेरिका का भारत के बारे में क्या मौक़िफ़ था? आंसर: The USA believed India was responsible for worsening the crisis and expanding the conflict. Q14. Why did India support the breakup of Pakistan? सवाल, भारत ने पाकिस्तान के टूटने की हिमायत क्यों की? आंसर: To weaken Pakistan, gain regional advantage, and respond to the refugee crisis caused by conflict. After effects. Q15. Why did Yahya Khan resign? सवाल, यही खान ने इस्तीफा क्यों दिया? आंसर: He resigned due to military defeat, loss of East Pakistan, and public pressure after the war. Q16. Why was the Simla agreement important? सवाल, शिमला मुआहदा क्यों अहम था? आंसर: It helped restore peace, improve relations, and settle issues between Pakistan and India after the war. Analytical questions. Q17. What role did Mujib play in separation? सवाल, मुजीब ने अलहदगी में क्या किरदार अदा किया? Answer: He led the autonomy movement and later the independence struggle, becoming the main leader of East Pakistan. Q18. Were economic issues the main cause? सवाल, क्या मुआशी मसाइल असल वजह थे? Answer: Economic issues were very important, but political injustice and cultural differences also contributed. Q19. Was it correct to call it a tragedy? सवाल, क्या उसे सानेहा कहना दुरुस्त है? Answer: Yes, because Pakistan lost territory, people, and unity, and suffered political and emotional damage. Q20. How did East Pakistan become Bangladesh? सवाल, मशरक़ी पाकिस्तान बांग्लादेश कैसे बना? Answer: Due to political conflict, military action, civil war, and Indian intervention, East Pakistan became Bangladesh in 1971. Bhutto era. Q21. Why did Bhutto nationalize industries? सवाल, भुट्टो ने सनतों को कौमी क्यों बनाया? Answer: To reduce inequality, control wealth, and improve conditions for workers and poor people. Q22. What were Bhutto's land reforms? सवाल, भुट्टो की ज़रूरी इस्लाहात क्या थीं? Answer: He limited land ownership 150 acre irrigated, 300 unirrigated and aimed to distribute land to poor farmers. Q23. What were Bhutto's main economic policies? सवाल, भुट्टो की मुआशी पॉलिसियां क्या थीं? Answer: Nationalization, land reforms, and promotion of workers' rights. Q24. How successful were land reforms? सवाल, ज़रूरी इस्लाहात कितनी कामयाब थीं? Answer: They had limited success because powerful landlords resisted and avoided reforms. Q25. What were consequences of nationalization? सवाल, कौमियाने के नताइज क्या थे? Answer: It reduced inequality but caused inefficiency, mismanagement, and slower economic growth. Q26. Impact of Bhutto's policies. सवाल, भुट्टो की पॉलिसियों के असरात क्या थे? Answer: They improved social justice but created economic problems and reduced investor confidence. Zia-ul-Haq era. Q27. Why did Zia-ul-Haq compose martial law? सवाल, ज़िया-उल-हक ने मार्शल लॉ क्यों लगाया? Answer: Due to political unrest, disputed elections, and instability in the country. Q28. What were features of Islamization? सवाल, इस्लामाइजेशन की खुसूसियत क्या थी?
पागल है क्या?
आंसर,
उठाओ वो।
introduction of Islamic laws, zakat system, Shariat court, and compulsory Islamic education.
जी हाँ।
Q29. What was rule of Shariat
आपको
court?
अभी पता नहीं है तो मुझसे ग्लू
सवाल, शरीयत अदालत का किरदार किया था? आंसर,
ओ
to ensure laws were in accordance with Islamic teachings. Q30. Why was S policies criticized? सवाल, जिया की पॉलिसियों पर तनकीद क्यों हुई? आंसर, because they restricted freedom, especially for women, and increased government control. Afghanistan War. Q31. Why was Pakistan important after Soviet invasion? सवाल, सोवियत हमले के बाद पाकिस्तान क्यों अहम था? आंसर, Pakistan became a key ally of the USA and supported Afghan fighters against the Soviet Union. Q32. How did overseas workers help Pakistan? सवाल, बैरून मुल्क पाकिस्तानियों ने कैसे मदद की? आंसर, they sent remittances, which improved Pakistan's economy and living standards. Q33. Why did private ownership help growth? सवाल, निजी मल्कियत ने तरक्की में कैसे मदद दी? आंसर, it encouraged investment, business activity, and economic confidence. Zia's political system. Q34. How did Zia keep control? सवाल, जिया ने इक़्तिदार कैसे बरकरार रखा? आंसर, he kept power to dismiss governments and limited political freedom. Q35. Who became PM in 1985? सवाल, 1985 में वजीर आजम कौन बना? आंसर, महमूद खान जून्हो. Q36. Importance of बेनज़ीर भुट्टो. सवाल, बेनज़ीर भुट्टो की अहमियत क्या थी? आंसर, she became the first female prime minister of a Muslim country and restored democratic rule. Final evaluation. Q37. Usefulness of sources. सवाल, ज़राए कितने मुफीद हैं? आंसर, they provide important information but may be biased or incomplete. Q38. Zia was successful in which policy? सवाल, जिया किस पॉलिसी में ज्यादा कामयाब था? आंसर, he was more successful in foreign policy, especially during Afghan war. Q39. Zia's views on democracy. सवाल, जिया के जमहूरियत के बारे में ख्यालात क्या थे? आंसर, he supported controlled democracy and delayed full democratic system.